The TWAP indicator stands for time weighted average price. It weights price equally across time. It's the benchmark institutional traders use when they want to execute a large order without moving the market, and here's how to use it. First, open up any chart and just click the / key. Now, type in TWAP, then click on time weighted average price. A line will appear on your chart. This is the TWAP line. It calculates the average price across every bar in the session equally, regardless of how much volume traded at each price, and it resets at the start of each new session, just like the standard VWAP. So here's how to read it. When price is above the TWAP, the asset is trading above its time-weighted average for the session, so buyers are in control. When price is below, sellers are in control. Now, the key difference from VWAP is that it ignores volume entirely. And if you want to change how the indicator is calculating this, double-click it, go to Inputs. You can change the anchor period, the source, offset it, and even change the session calculation for time frame. Have a great day, guys.